KOOB allows you to easily create and add activities for your clients. An activity is an experience that can be booked alone. It can last from a few minutes to half a day, offering a wide range of experiences that can be added as an option to the programs. To do this, click on the Experiences tab and the Create Experience button. In this window, select Extras and Activities and click on Next. Select Activity, then click on Next. This brings you to the General Information window. Required fields are marked with a red star. Fill in the information to complete this first page. The default language is English, but you'll need to set this to enable you to save and create other languages, as we'll see later. The internal reference is the reference you wish to assign to this activity. The name is the name that will be displayed on KOOB for your clients. Provide a general description, and add the country, city, and region. Enter a starting point and an ending point. We recommend that you enter the city here. If you wish, you can enter additional location information. Enter the activity duration. If the activity is guided, click on Yes and select the guide's language. Enter the included and excluded services. Note that you can set included and excluded services by default for your organization, so you don't have to copy them systematically. Finally, you can assign a sustainability level and accreditation for this activity. Then, the Other Remarks area lets you add any general information you think might be helpful. If you wish to add different languages to this activity, click the flag to enter the fields in another language. You'll find this language selector in all sections when you add the experience. Click on Save and Next to access the next section, Activity. In the Activity section, you can enter the pickup and drop-off points for the activity, the associated times, or the information about the free visits. These fields are not mandatory here but allow you to qualify and thematize your activity. Difficulty, segments, and themes are fields that your clients will be able to filter on the trip designer or marketplace, so they're essential to facilitate product selection. Enter the highlights of this program, which will appear first under the description of this experience. After entering the necessary details, click Save and Next to access the next section, Media. The next tab, Media, allows you to add photos and links. This section will help highlight your experiences. To add an image, click on the button. We invite you to rename your images as the titles appear on the banner. To select the cover photo, click on the picture banner. In the Links section, click on Add Link to add a link. You'll need to add a title and the URL link. These links can be documents, videos, or any other format to highlight your activity. You'll set your prices in the Pricing section. To do this, click on Add Period. Select the validity period and the days of the week when your activity is bookable. Then, define the availability. Free sales means that the activity will be confirmed instantly as soon as the tour operator has booked. On request means that you will have to confirm the booking request to your clients, and closed means that this period is not open for sales. The Per Pax selector lets you add a rate per person or group. If you click on the Yes button, you can add specific pax ranges for adults and children by assigning a rate to them. To add conditions for children, click on Add Children Price Conditions. You'll need to define the price and age range. The Can this product be booked on its own on the Marketplace button lets you choose whether to make the activity bookable on the Marketplace and on the Trip Designer or only on the Trip Designer. The Conditions tab lists all the cancellation conditions you have set by default in your organization's parameters. You can modify them at any time. The Final Options tab lets you add global options and extras to the activity. At the top is the Promo and Supplement button, where you can create promotions to boost sales over a specific period or supplements to personalize pricing for your clients. To do this, click on New. Enter the name of the promotion or supplement, the validity periods, and the days of the week. Select whether the promotion or supplement applies per pax or group. You can add numeric or percentage variables. Select the clients for whom the promotion or supplement is to be used. Set the status to operational to activate it and click Save. Finally, when you've finished setting the parameters, click on Save and put the activity to Available. You can download your activity in Word or PDF format to preview what your client will see on their interface.